3, 2, 1. You're away in the 2026 Steadyrack Grand Fondo.
Well, obviously we're a very proudly West Australian company, and it's really good to see an event like this make it here to Perth, and we'd like it to stay here as long as possible. So, for us, an investment like this it's obviously really good for the brand, but it's more about, it's almost like a thank you to the Australian cycling community for supporting us for all those years. And it's not easy for a small family business to become a global player, and we really value that Australian connection. We did get a win. Guy Coleman managed to pull off a win for us.
Well done, brother! Well done, brother. Well done. Raise them up, boys, raise them up! Yeah!
He's a machine. I don't know how he does it. He doesn't even look like he's went past me on the third lap, smiling, looking like he was on a Sunday cruise. So that's 2 national champions in the Steadyrack team in 2 years. We're really happy with the numbers, and the feedback I'm getting from a lot of people who didn't make it into the event is, can we get it to 1,200? It's like, and I think you'd fill it. Yeah, really, really happy with the interest particularly from the Perth community.
Well done, mate. Hey, Steadyrack all the way. You got that.
We've got this really fun activation going on, and we brag that our racks can hold 50 kilos. So we've got 2 big dumbbells down there, and we've got a man versus rack competition. And if you're the person that can hold the dumbbells for the longest wins the Steadyrack prize. I think it's a rack, a gear mate, and some merch. The guys said, "Are you going to have a go?" I said, "My name's Billy, not Silly."
How did you go in today's race?
Up and down and up and down and up and down.
So do you feel, thinking about next year, that will you have different tactics going into the Steadyrack Grand Fondo next year?
Yeah, the different tactics, and the guys are talking about we might need to do a weight loss plan beforehand, because it's pretty simple physics for the big guys.
Yeah. Excellent, excellent. And did you see Dave Steadman out there?
I didn't see Dave out there today, but I would like to say thank you so much to Dave and to the team. I ride past the Steadyrack office every day when I'm riding, and it's really cool to just sponsor, or to be sponsored, to be supported by a truly local business. That's really cool.